Business in a Box is here. Introducing Business in a Box by Bennett Solutions, a game-changing opportunity for businesses between $5 and $10 million in revenue. For the first time, get cutting-edge back-office technology at an unbeatable price, enhancing your business efficiency and productivity without breaking the bank. Experience seamless integration of all your processes with Acumatica Cloud ERP, where your financials, HR, sales, inventory, and more operate in perfect harmony under one roof, eliminating fragmented systems and outdated tech. Our Business in a Box is meticulously designed to grow with you. It offers centralized data, real-time insights, and robust automation, helping you make smarter business decisions. Whether you're in manufacturing or distribution, welcome a new era of streamlined processes, better customer service, and reduced operational costs. Patricia Bennett, our founder and CEO, created this bespoke solution to provide growing businesses with enterprise-level technology at one of the lowest price points on the market. Embrace an all-in-one business management system with a lower cost and phased implementation that ensures smooth adoption, setting you up for long-term success without constant system overhauls. With Business in a Box, enjoy award-winning infrastructure with easy scalability. From order management to advanced planning, gain operational agility and insightful analytics that propel growth. Say goodbye to the limitations of basic accounting software and hello to a future-proof business backbone that supports your vision. Ready to revolutionize your company? Join the many successful businesses who've already made the switch. Discover Business in a Box today and transform your operations seamlessly. Visit our website to start your journey with this innovative ERP solution. Discover how Business in a Box can transform your business today.